What's going on YouTube? Is Donnie here with Donnie's channel, here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a CX-3 2016 Mazda CX-3. Okay, this is what the cabin filter looks like. Pretty easy and simple. Let me grab a light. Okay, here we go. So you want to come over here on the passenger side. Let's get this in here. Okay, there we go. We got that in the mount. Okay. Here we go. So basically you want to come to the passenger side, open up the glove box. You're going to grab this side and this side, and you're going to compress it just like that, and then drop this right on down. And the cabin filter is right here. You take these two and you pinch them, and this slides right on out of there. And there's an arrow on here, and the arrow says airflow down, and you want that pointed down. So that's the way of installation. So you just take that and you install that right on in there, and it pushes right in there. And then you just take the glove box, you go up, you can see this clip that looks the same on this side. You basically just put it up against there and just push. There you go. Now opens and it closes. And that's how you successfully install a cabin filter on a 2016 CX-3. If I helped you guys out, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thanks for the viewage.